It's riskier to not take risks. Hey, my name is Desiree de Lunae. I am an acupuncturist, herbalist, and I specialize in emotional release work, especially with essential oils. Welcome to my channel. Please make sure to like and subscribe and hit that bell to be notified when a new video is up every Tuesday. So we're just going to have a quick discussion on the concept of making decisions, risk-taking, and alignment. I thought of this in the shower. One of my best places for ideas is that when it's aligned, it is not a risk. Okay, you got that? When it's aligned, it is not a risk at all. And in a world where we are bombarded by data and information and options and shiny object syndrome all over the place, guess what? If you knew how to identify when something is in right alignment, you don't have analysis paralysis. You don't have decision fatigue. All of those other options just fall away. And yes, you're right. It is sometimes they say ideas are actually a liability. My mentor, Rod Richardson, taught me that. Absolutely true. Because if you jump on an idea that is not in alignment with your makeup, your destiny, your blueprint, all of that, then, oh yeah, that is a huge risk. That is a gamble. That is a surefire way to create energetic stagnation and energetic depletion. So if you know how to eliminate, right, going off or entering into and entangling in or consuming up things that are none of your business, if it's none of your business, really, truly not a part of your destiny, then there's no risk taken, really. Actually, it's very risky to not take the risk of being aligned, of living aligned. That is what's very costly. So if you're on the fence about something, because I have a feeling there's something you're like, I know I should be doing it. I know, but it's just such a big thing. I mean, it would take years and so much of my time in my life in order to, devote myself and make that big decision. Guess what? We think it's so much depletion of energy by committing and devoting ourselves to something that is very meaningful and purposeful and aligned with our soul. Sometimes we think it's actually going to take so much energy from us, but no, it's the opposite. It enlivens us. It invigorates us. It allows our chi to radiate. It is life-giving rather than life-taking, even though it may take considerable time and effort and focus. Yeah, it may do that, absolutely. But those activities are like good, nutritious food for the spirit. It is going to nourish your soul. So if it's aligned, it's always nourishing. Doesn't mean it's easy. Who said anything about something being easy? It's not going to be impossible, but it's going to take some effort, but it's the right kind of effort, right? It's the effortless effort. It's the woo way. And I was saying, like, in one of my podcasts, what else are you going to do? What else are you going to do? Sit around and rot in your rocking chair watching Netflix for the rest of your life? I love a good Netflix. I love a good TV show, but there is a time and a place for that. There is a time when it is incredibly relaxing and nutritious. But anything too much, outside of moderation too, can also be harmful to us as well. So identify what is aligned and get committed to that. And remember that that's not a risky thing. If it's aligned, it's always right for you, and it is always nurturing, nourishing, life-giving, expansive for you, not a depletion of your lifetime and energy. Stay tuned for the next video because I'm going to go ahead and share with you what are the things that make you know, that you know for sure, with certainty, with absolute certainty, that what you are doing is indeed aligned. So, look forward to seeing the next video. And if you would like to snag 3 of my best blends from the I Am Fabulous book, go ahead and click down on the link below. And if you love this video, please make sure to hit the thumbs up button, the like button, and subscribe and hit the bell so that you are notified every time we post a new video. Thank you so much. And until next time, bye.